Hello, my name is Gilas Pramuso. Here I will tell you my opinion about education. I think education is very important to create an educated generation. Education is the cornerstone of the nation progress. To become a major nation, of course, the ideals of every country in the world. It is no longer a secret if the progress or not of a nation or state is influenced by education factor. Education is a process to produce quality future generation of the nation. Our country, namely Indonesia, is one of the developing countries in the world which still has big problems in the world of education. Indonesia has one goal, namely educating the life of the nation, which is a milestone in the development of the welfare and culture of the Indonesian nation. But in reality, or what we feel now is that there is a lack in the quality of education. The low quality of education has an impact on inhibiting the provision of human research who have the expertise and skill to fulfill the nation's development in various fields. There are many factors behind the cause of education in Indonesia not being able to develop. Namely, among them, the first, expensive tuition fees. Education in Indonesia is becoming difficult for people living below the poverty line. The majority of the population in Indonesia who are below the poverty line result in neglect to carry out education. The second, inadequate educational facilities. The facilities owned by all schools throughout Indonesia are not all sufficient. In fact, there are still many schools that lack sufficient school standard to carry out teaching and learning activities. The third, low opportunities for equality in education. This is based on the government's attention to education. In reality, the government only pays more attention to education in the cities, and it is very different from the attention given to the government in the village. The government that pays more attention to education in urban areas make the quality of education in urban and rural area far in comparison. The fourth, uncertain curriculum. The curriculum is a number of stage designed for students with instruction for educational institution whose content are in the form of static, dynamic process and competency that must be possessed. The curriculum is a tool to achieve educational goals as well as a guide in the implementation of education. Education is the most important element in a country. Education also influences various aspects of life in country. However, the fact is that educator cannot create educated people but only smart people. Along with the development of the times, there have been many embracing cases that have appeared in this country. Examples are corruption, tax mafia, bribery case, and many others. It is very unfortunate because these crimes are committed by people who are highly educated by even hold a doctor. This can happen due to the wrong pattern of education in this country. The pattern of education that is applied only focus on worldly knowledge so that only smart people are created without having noble character. As a result, these smart people use their intelligence to commit crime and overwork people. For example, many news stories report corruption and bribery committed by respectable people. These people are highly educated but commit acts that are embarrassing because they can harm other people and even the country. Usually, these crimes are committed together. What worse, when caught red-handed, these people do not feel ashamed and guilty for what they have done. Therefore, It is our collective duty to improve the education system in this country so that embracing things like those mentioned above don't happen again. Education, as we know it today, has become a basic need of every human being because education is the progress and advancement of a nation. With a high level of education, we will have the opportunity to be equal to other great nations. But in reality, the quality of education in our country is not as good as in other countries. To improve the quality of education, educational institutions are now required to be able to produce quality and competitive graduates because competition between nations that are taking place are very intensive and fast. Graduates are also expected to have professional skill and competition so that they can face the global competition that occurs. In today's technological era, teachers are not only the only source of information for their students. However, of the teacher has changed and developed into a motivator, administrator, and facilitator. In addition to the teacher, student can search and get source material from various media such as the internet. That's my opinion about education. Thank you.